Annual maintenance for our roads, including filling potholes and resurfacing them, is all part of the regular maintenance the City of Markham performs to ensure our roads continue to be safe and enjoyable for drivers. This year, we are piloting a new, more advanced artificial intelligence software known as CityROVER's Pulse for Pavement technology to help assess road conditions. By mounting devices on the dashboards of fleet vehicles, we are better able to detect potholes and poor road conditions, allowing us to collect data and plan road repairs more efficiently. Previously, city staff were required to drive around and visually assess and log road conditions. This advanced software collects information using precision camera technology. It then helps generate reports and catalogs areas with the most significant need for road improvements. City crews work to repair potholes and large stretches of road by removing aged asphalt through grinding. Once removed, various layers of asphalt are then placed along the road to replace the deteriorated materials. Let's help keep our roads among the best in the province. Report pavement damage or potholes online at markham.ca/online request.